Plutus is a cryptocurrency attempting to create a bridge between cryptocurrency and traditional finance through the provision of a debit card that can be linked to your cryptocurrency wallet. In this video, we'll cover everything you need to know about Plutus in under 3 minutes. Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. My name is AG Hunter, and my goal is to help you make good investment decisions by providing quality analysis of cryptocurrency projects. If you like what you see in this video, please hit those like and subscribe buttons, and if you have any feedback or suggestions, leave them in the comments below. Today, we're going to take a look at the Plutus project and its suite of products. It's important to note that I'm only going to look at the Plutus product itself, and that what follows is in no way intended to be an assessment of the merits of the Plutus project as an investment. It's also important to highlight that I'm not a financial advisor. All investments are inherently risky, and you should do your own research before making any investment decisions. So what is Plutus? Plutus is attempting to create a bridge between cryptocurrency and traditional finance. Longer term, the project aims to gain a banking license and offer a full suite of financial products. At this point, however, its primary product is a Visa debit card with a connected bank account that is also able to be linked to your cryptocurrency wallet. The Plutus account acts as a normal bank account with a linked Visa debit card. When the balance on your account gets low, you can top it up with either cash from your Plutus account or an electronic transfer from another bank account. Because your Plutus account is also linked to your crypto wallet, you can also top it up from your crypto holdings by making an exchange on the project's internal decentralized exchange. Currently, this exchange supports transactions in Bitcoin, Ethereum, and the project's native currency, the Pluton, which is an ERC20 token. In addition to the ability to easily move funds between cryptocurrency and fiat currency, the project also runs a rewards program where users get 3% cashback on any purchase as a reward for using their card. The rewards are paid in Plutons, which can then be used to fund future purchases, stake to earn rewards through their loyalty program, or sold for cash. There are a few additional features, such as a loyalty program where you can stake Plutons to get a higher cashback reward and perks for shopping at specific retailers. In essence though, the product is a debit card linked to your crypto wallet via an app with the ability to earn rewards for using the card. The product's key features are the ease with which it allows you to move money between your crypto wallet and a standard savings account, and the fact that Plutus is non-custodial, meaning you can link it to your existing wallet and retain complete control of your private keys. This last point is the big point of difference between Plutus and its competitors. It's the only product of its type that I am aware of that has this functionality. In terms of the app itself, the user interface is clean and simple, and everything seems pretty intuitive. They have obviously put a lot of time and effort into ensuring the user experience is as good as possible. This is particularly important for a product like this, which in essence provides a way for users to more easily start using cryptocurrency in their daily lives. It would make a great entry point to crypto for new users. All in all, I got a very positive impression of the product, and I think it's something I would definitely try if I had the opportunity. Plutus is currently only available in Europe and the UK, with plans to roll out to Asia and beyond in the future. You watched all the way to the end. Thanks for that. If you have any feedback or suggestions, leave them in the comments below. Also, don't forget to hit like and subscribe before you leave.